Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Diaspol and thank you so much for all your likes, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are a new viewer, definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and if you're liking it, then definitely hit the subscribe button so that you can learn more. And for the ones who want additional services and training, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is our customer care number. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, always click the link in the video description. You have Zerodha, Upstock and Angel Broking. So click those links and open your account so that you can be part of my secret Telegram channel. I don't give any recommendations there, only for learning. Whenever I'm free, I keep posting my views and my understanding of the market. I keep giving some homework types. So if you like such type of thing with patience, then definitely you can be part of it. So without wasting time, let's discuss about today's topic. So today's topic is going to be on an IPO. So I have done IPO videos before also. I think this is our third video on IPO. So I just wanted to remind you guys regarding an IPO so that you guys don't miss out. So now you guys would have heard about this SBI Cards and Payment Services IPO which is coming out. Most of them would have heard or most of them would have not heard, but it is my duty to share with our subscribers, so that you can observe or invest based on your decisions, you can take care. So now finally SBI, SBI is already there. Okay, they have their IPO and now they have their shares, State Bank of India, right? So they have their shares trading and you can see the share price and all that. So now they are expanding with their payments and card. When I say card, this credit card, we all use this credit card and they make a good business out of it. So they're making a good business out of it, and finally they're looking to expand their payment and the cards and all that. So therefore they are entering into IPO and issuing to the public. So now talking about till when is it offered, it is from the March 2nd, that is this Monday. Today is a Saturday what I'm recording this video, so it's from this Monday when the market opens. So from that day, March 2nd to March 5th. So March 2nd to March 5th it will be open, so you can apply during this period. And what is the share price band of this particular IPO? So they have prices around 750 to 755. As per sources, they say it is 750 to 755 rupees. Basically we buy it at 755. So 755 is the price at which you can buy this particular IPO. And the minimum, one lot, how much is one lot for this IPO is 19 shares. So if you have to buy this, you have to buy minimum one lot. So that is 19 shares you have to buy. So 755 rupees or 750 rupees into 19 is somewhere around 14,000 rupees. So 40,000 chiller. Okay, so you should have 14,000 rupees in your account to buy this particular IPO, minimum this amount. And if you want to buy one more lot, then again 19 shares. Okay, so 19 ones are, 19 twos are, 19 threes. It goes by multiple. It's not like 20, 21. So minimum 19, if not double that, 19 or 19 twos are, 19 threes are. I don't remember what is 19 twos are, so I'm just telling you. So anyways, so now like I told you, it is 750 rupees and it is open from March 2nd to March 5th. You can apply like I've shown in Zerodha how to apply and all that. Directly the money gets deducted from your saving account or whichever account has been linked, bank account has been linked. So the money will get freezed, and later if you're allotted the share, then you'll get deducted. So now talking about how many people will get this. Now the thing is, we are all retail customers, right? So for us, they have given 35% of the portion. So they are offering 100% in that. 35% is for we retail customers, so we can apply. So it's a big portion. So they are looking to make a 10,000 crore capital with this issue. So out of this, around 3,000 crores is mainly for we retail customers. So there are chances, but it depends. If the demand is too high, a lot of people will subscribe and then you will miss out to get. But if not, definitely most of the time you get these IPOs. Now talking about IPO, motivation of this initial public offering, why people buy this IPO is, now for example, expecting that in March 2nd to March 5th we buy this, and then the price of this particular share whenever it lists or whenever it comes into secondary market for trading, okay, so that time the gap up will happen or the price goes up, first day spike will happen, right? So expecting all that, few people will book their profits later, or else few people hold it because considering the business. Now if you see SBI, as per sources, they are the second largest in India in terms of cards and credit cards and all that, and they have made a good business out of it. If you see past 1 year, in as per their books, if you see in online sources, if you see, they have made a good profit and good business in this past 1 year. okay, in this business. So looking at that, it looks good that okay, this their investment, what they're doing, or they're going to use whatever money they made from this market, whatever they're going to invest into their business more. I'm sure they will develop their business more in terms of systems and offers and all those credit card offers, so that more people use it and they make more business. So looking in that perspective, I feel it is bullish and it looks good. But definitely always market will hold risk, and that also we have an international risk like the coronavirus, and which is going on, which has affected our market already, because the international market has been affected. Now our Indian market also affected. If you see the I think on Friday you see how market fell because of all those reasons. So during this time, it's a critical time, so think properly. So if you have an investment advisor, definitely check with them what do they feel and what is their analysis. Is it the right time, or will it really help? And look at the business also, because I'm just telling from few point of view. There are a lot of other points of view an expert will tell you. And also it's your own decision. So definitely for a beginner, don't take risk, observe it. Why I'm telling is now is that you can observe, write it down in paper. This was the price in which I could have taken it, and once it was listed, this is the profit. So this is how we can take advantage in learning or else in investment with the help of your investment advisors. So this is just an information or learning session for you guys to have a watch on this particular IPO, and let's focus how it goes on in our paper trading. That today the price is 750, right? 755 it is gonna list out. So once it starts trading, let's see where it goes. Either it goes up or it goes down. So let's look at it. Let this be a learning for you guys also. And people who don't know how to apply this IPO, I'll try to make a video. If I'm investing in any of this, I will try to make a video, at least demo video I'll try to do by clicking and showing you stuff. So this is just a hint for you, so that I know most of the people would have got your MNC people would have got a bonus for your February month end. You would have got a bonus and stuff. So don't risk your money. Remember this word, don't risk your money, hard-earned money, 1 year's hard-earned money. Don't risk with all these things in mind. So think properly before you do. Don't just get attracted. Think twice. If this is your commitment money or something, don't play with it. Only if it is investment money, and if you feel this particular IPO is good, then take your own decision, not with somebody's words. Okay, so anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.